After a successful winning trade on Bitcoin, the price is currently dumping towards the upside. I will explain each and everything in today's video, how I captured the full bottom to the top move and shared each and every analysis in my previous videos. And the most important thing that you can't miss, what is the next update for the price of Bitcoin next week, that is the coming next week I would say, because today is Friday and currently the market is sideways. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. Right, here we are on the price of Bitcoin right now is currently at $64,300 right here. And well, our long trade went very perfect and exact to the point. We entered somewhat over here at $55,000 and I made a video here that I'm going long. Okay, so don't judge me that I'm a caller and or I give some signals in this channel, because I don't. I just share my own trade updates, and if you want to copy them, then do it at your own risk, because obviously my main motive is to teach you guys how to take a trade, how to manage them, how to manage the losing trade or winning trade. And I want you guys to learn trading by your own self rather than depending on me or any other YouTuber. So I entered a trade somewhat over here. When this fake out happened, I predicted it that this can be a fake out and the price can go all the way up, and the same thing happened. I entered at $55,000. My first target was this, second was this, and my third next target was this. However, if you look closely, in my previous videos I told you all that I will be exiting my long position trade if the price comes somewhat over here. Why? Because first of all, I hope you all know that whenever, for example, I took an entry here and the price starts to pump, it starts to go in my favor, I will immediately place my stop loss, which was somewhat over here, to my break even point or above my break even point, so that even if the price gets rejected down, still I will exit in profits or in no loss no profit, break even only. That's what I did, and I was just aggressively trailing my stop loss and keep on trailing it, because I knew that the price has pumped a lot in a straight line, parabolic, and there are chances it can see some sort of correction or a dump towards the downside. Same thing happened, and my next target, yes, was approx at $72,000, and I already made a video that either the price will pump all the way up to $72,000 incessantly and then get a huge fallback, or the price will just dump from here. And the same thing happened. Price started to dump exactly from my target area, and my stop loss got triggered and I exited my whole position in a huge amount of profits, risk free trade. So yeah, this is a very good trade right here. Now let's see what my next analysis says. So first of all, as I already told you, the price of Bitcoin is overbought and it is going parabolic, so there is some sort of correction has to come in the price of Bitcoin, and we can clearly see that. And right now, if I zoom in, you can clearly see these three consecutive red candles right here. This one has a very high volume right here, as you can see, very high volume right here, and this one and the next one, they both have same volume, as you can, they both have same volume, but there is not much bearish pressure. This means that maybe the buyers are exhausted right now and we can see some bulls. And the same thing happened on the yesterday's candle. I was watching it and you can clearly see it went all the way down till here at approx $62,000. It went all the way down till here and then got a reversal towards the upside. This means buyers are still in the market right now, and yes, we can see some bullishness. Currently the price is in middle of these two important levels. This is the very important zone and this is also a very important zone. Currently the price is in between them, so I will not take a trade. I will only take a trade when the price comes near my either my this zone or my this zone, or else I'll not take a trade, because it's better to not take a trade in between. You never know where the price can go. So currently my main analysis is only to just hold and just wait. before taking any trade, and let's see what happens. I will update you guys on my Twitter. And obviously the price of Bitcoin is dumping towards the downside slightly, so all the altcoins and Ethereum are also dumping towards the downside as well. And the main cause of dump, some people are saying it's because some geopolitical reason, and some are saying that it's just profit booking. So what I see is it's just simple analysis right here, and it's just simple price action, that's it. It's just technical analysis for me, and fundamental also played out, but for me it is technical analysis only, because I already predicted that the price will pump in a straight line, then it has to face some sort of a correction. And if you look at this candle right here, it is a bearish engulfing candle with a very high volume, even higher than this right here. So for me this was a very huge bearish sign already. Trade update on Polkadot, and I hope you already know I took a long position entry somewhat over here at $5.56. Well, it did manage to go all the way up till here across $6, but it got rejected because of the dump in the price of Bitcoin. And yes, this is what trading altcoins is. All depends on BTC only, Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps, then each and every coin will pump, and if it dumps, then same vice versa only. So the Polkadot trade did not end up very well, and yeah, it occurred in a loss. But obviously I already mentioned that it will be a very high risk trade, and you can clearly see my stop loss was very low, so it's okay, not a major issue. I already made huge gains on Bitcoin. So yeah, this is my trade update right here. It occurred in a loss. Moving to ZAG USD silver, I informed you all that I'll be taking a trade on ZAG USD, going long at this fake out. And same concept was here. Same concept that I used, that Bitcoin's price is a fake out and it can again go towards the upside. Same concept I applied here also, because I already saw price is over sold right here, and bearishness was exhausted. I mean, the bears were exhausted, and I knew that there are high chances of bulls to come up from here. So it was a risky trade for sure, but it is going pretty well. Looks like it is going in my favor right now. I entered here and currently it is in profits. I'll just wait for the price to pump a little bit, then only I will switch my stop loss to break even price, or maybe above my entry price, to make this trade as a risk-free trade. I will still place my stop loss here only. So if ZAG USD price gets a reversal and triggers my stop loss, then it's okay, no issues. But this is my trade right here on ZAG USD. Still I am targeting $30 or $31 approx. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my Bitcoin trade, how it went, all live captured in front of you guys. And not only this, but also what are my next expectations and analysis for the price of Bitcoin in the next coming weeks. And yeah, my trade updates on Polkadot and ZAG as well. I'll be full transparent with you guys. I hope you learned from my mistakes and from my losses and wins. And yeah, this is it for today's video. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description, and it is a referral link, so if you want, you can use it, or else you can just search Bybit. And if you want to trade ZAG USD, that is silver, you can do that on Exness. You can trade any forex pairs and US stocks as well. Again, link is in the description, referral link. If you want to use it, you can, or else just normally just search it on Google or any other browser. And yeah, this is my today's video. Facecam live back again, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.